Alright guys, welcome back to another video. We're gonna get some New York style pizza for the first time. We're over here at Slice of New York in San Jose. Supposedly the best reviewed New York slice, like where you could get a New York slice of pizza. It's over here, so we're gonna check that out and see how they go. And yeah, first timers, both of us. Pretty excited. Let's see what they got. Slices here. We got a margarita and a buffalo chicken. I don't know what that. It looks like bacon and jalapenos, or who knows. You're gonna try it out, something new. Never tried it. I'm gonna try it without anything first. But this is how it looks. Look at that. All right, guys. So we're gonna go in first bite. Look at the flop. New York style right here. Ready, 1, 2, and go. Bro, that is good. It's hot. It's good, huh? And then you could fold it like an actual New York style. You fold it. Look at that. Undercarriage, pretty good. The bottom, and then the fresh basil, mozzarella.
The condiments.
Dude, that should look so good. Let's get it. That one's like perfect, huh? It's like it tastes literally like actual pizza. And for 3 slices, it was $21.50. But they're pretty big slices, so it's pretty much worth it. That's good, bro. I'm gonna try the buffalo chicken one. Wow, look at that. It's folded. Look at that. That shit. Going in, buffalo chicken. Oh, that's spicy, that's good. It's nice and spicy, huh? This margarita one is so amazing. Feel the crust.
I think my favorite is probably it's between this one and the chicken.
The chicken?
Yeah.
I honestly like the margarita. I don't know why. It's like so plain, but it's so good.
That's like a unique taste on it.
The crust is pretty good as well. Yeah.
With bubbles and everything.
Look at that. I can easily eat like a lot of these, dude. They're like so thin, but like they're so good. Definitely a must try. You guys are in the San Jose area, get some New York pizza. That went down like nothing, bro.
Definitely my new favorite pizza right here.
Yeah? Oh. He's used to like Little Caesars and stuff. This is like real pizza right here. What is that kind of meat, huh? Ni saben, huh? Wow. This spot has a lot of people coming in and out. So that's how I know it's a good spot. What do you give your slice? What ranking?
10.
Huh?
It's actually crazy. I like my this one better than crap.
Yeah? I was in it too. It's pretty good. It's like, I give it like a 9. And I had a lot of pizza from like a lot of places. This is number 1 so far. The chicken one I gave like an 8, 7. Pretty solid. You ever want another one? I got 2. I was starving. Now would you come back?
Oh yeah.
Yeah? If you're in the area, you guys gotta come here.
Definitely worth it.
I'm actually mind blown, guys. Like that was actually freaking amazing. Like super fresh ingredients. Like the quality was there. Everything top notch. You guys are in the San Jose area. A slice of New York. Come check it out. It's like you won't disappoint you. 3 slices, 3 big ass slices for 21 bucks. It doesn't get better than that. It was honestly pretty good, pretty good. Coming back for sure. Alright guys, we just killed those pizzas. Definitely definitely worth, like, if you guys are not from here, like, it's worth the drive. We're not even from San Jose and we came like an hour drive just for this, but honestly it's max. So yeah, you guys craving some New York style kind of pizza, this is the spot to go. But yeah, we're gonna see where we go next. If not, then I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.